We're going to change out video backgrounds to better match content. This is our next project. It's Project Scene Change by John Chu.
Hello everyone. Hi, I'm so glad to introduce you this very cool technique about video compositing. Here we go. Woo! So this is a video of me working in the office. You know, I'm really overdue vacation, but I have a lot going on, so as an engineer, I have a plan. I searched and found this video of Bali, where I don't think I will be going anytime soon. I want to change the scene of my own video to the place in this video, as if I was on a vacation there. I mean, how do you like this video? It looks great, right? Actually, no. It turns out pretty bad when I try to directly match and composite these two videos. The result just doesn't look natural and seems I'm hovering over a floating background. The reason is that these two videos are so different in camera angle and motion. Fixing this will be slow and tedious. So let me introduce Project Scene Change. In Project Scene Change, I can import the extracted point cloud of the scene and my portrait. They may not look like much, but they provide critical information I can use to interactively align them, like this. After that is done, Project Scene Change AI will use the alignment and modified background. Look at this video. Project Scene Change made a lot of changes frame by frame, and the composition looks natural and smooth, exactly what I needed. To understand what the AI has done, let's put the original video side by side with our new composition.
John, Instagram influencers are going to love you, dude. My gosh.
Yeah, let's go back to the comparison. I mean, what has changed? The original camera motion has been preserved, and the new background has been updated to follow the same camera motion, making the composition seamless and clean. Isn't that amazing? Now that Project Scene Change can intelligently adjust camera motion and angle, we can use this functionality for other fun tasks. Here is another video of me working in the office. I promise this is not all I do in the office. This video captures my full body and has significant camera panning. Here is another video of stuff printed with a graphic I designed. And I want to combine these two videos so that I can make myself walk through my artwork. This is not a trivial video editing task because these two videos are so different in camera motion, angle, and panning. Aligning them is a huge task, unless I'll use Project Scene Change. Like before, I can import the point cloud, align them, and click the composite button. Now I have this composition with this fun miniaturization effect.
Cool.
I mean, look at the shadow. It's brand new. It exists in neither input video. How did it get there? Project Scene Change generated by reconstructing the whole human shape and casting a realistic shadow. OK, let's keep going. I walk closer to the cup. Project Scene Change will automatically understood the 3D nature of the scene so that I can walk behind the cup and get occluded.
Whoa.
Well, to appreciate the improvement, let's put the naive 2D composition alongside our new one. We can see that our new composition is way better.
Yeah, I noticed a few differences.
With the power of AI, Project Scene Change allows you to completely rethinking video compositing. Now you can change the scene of your video to any place you want. Thank you.